Welcome to this video on the creation of a do-it-yourself photography light box. I like to have a box like that to do some product and item photography, and well, I went on the lookout and it struck me that the prices vary between 10 for a very tiny one or even 100 or more euros for a bigger one, while essentially it is not much more than a box which is coated white on the inside. So I thought, why not try make one myself? On the attic I found a nice box that was just lying around there, and it has approximately the right size. All I had to do was cut out almost 1/3 of it, and that gave me this nice almost square box of approximately 35 centimeters. Next step is to cut out a window, so first made some markings to measure it out and then started carefully cutting out a window from the top, and that gave this result. Two more windows to go on the left and the right side, so also cutting out those leads to this nice box that now only needs to be coated white. And the windows could be coated with maybe diffusion paper, light diffuser. Well, I don't have official light diffusion paper, but it turned out that a standard baking paper has quite a nice property for that. It is still quite transparent, but also diffuses the light very well. And the inside of the box is simply coated with printer paper. And that led to this end result, also adding two flaps to the side, because later when there will be light sources left and right, the flaps can prevent the light shining straight into the lens of the camera. Time to try it out. These are two tiny antique pill boxes, and well, this is the picture without any additional light already. It's only the daylight shining through these baking paper diffusers. Well, I still think it is not a top picture because there's some noise and still some shadows, but it's a start, and later when I will add the left and right lights, then maybe the pictures will be very nice. I think it's worth a try to first use this box before buying an official light studio. Well, maybe you can find some stuff around the house yourself. It took me back simply €0 because I only used stuff that I already had in my house. Thank you for watching, and maybe see you later in a future video.